Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your network with LinkedIn detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Ensure your profile picture is professional and engaging. Craft a compelling headline that clearly defines your expertise or industry. Write a concise summary that highlights your career achievements and goals. List relevant skills that reflect your professional capabilities. Next, expand your network strategically. Connect with colleagues, industry peers, and former classmates. Personalize connection requests with a brief message to increase acceptance rates. Engage with your connections posts by liking and commenting regularly. Join relevant LinkedIn groups to meet new professionals in your field. Participate in discussions to showcase your expertise. Share valuable content related to your industry. Create original posts that provide insights or solutions to common industry challenges. Use hashtags wisely to increase the visibility of your posts. Leverage LinkedIn's publishing platform to write articles. Share case studies or professional experiences that add value to your audience. Monitor your LinkedIn analytics to understand what content resonates with your connections. Refine your strategy based on engagement metrics. Build relationships by reaching out for informational interviews. Offer your expertise and insights to those seeking guidance. Follow industry leaders and engage with their content. Attend online LinkedIn events and webinars to broaden your learning. Network with participants during these events. Consider utilizing LinkedIn Premium for additional features. Take advantage of InMail to reach out to potential connections outside your network. Utilize LinkedIn search filters to find and connect with specific professionals. Regularly follow up with your growing network. Send messages to check in or share content of interest. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.